Hello everyone, Chris out here on number 8 at beautiful Mountainair, and today we're going to talk about ball repair. Okay, you finally have hit the green. It's taken you 7 holes, the golf gods have been good to you, and you've hit the green. But before you make that birdie putt, we got one important thing to do, and that is fix our ball mark. Yeah! Okay guys, so what's important is making sure you fix your ball mark properly. The tools we have here, you can use a tee, you can use a double prong or a single prong. We prefer the single prong just because the double prong here can damage more roots than a single prong. As you can tell here, this is an old ball mark I found that has happened probably in the last week. So it was not repaired, and obviously you can tell it is struggling. Now what most people do in the improper way to fix a ball mark is to stick your tee in and come this way. And people do this. What that does is damage the roots and only pulls the soil content to the top, which means the grass doesn't grow. So here you can see I have a ball mark that I have made. So you want to come in, I'm going to use our single prong, Mountainair one, and you want to put the tee into the back and go towards the center. So it's this way and towards, all the way around and towards, all the way around and towards. And I made a big one so you can see you're not going to damage anything. Just keep going till it gets back to its, so the roots can grow together, and then just lightly tap it down. Again, we do not want to be going in and up. That destroys it. So this one that was not fixed, I'm going to come in and try to fix it back. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you properly fix a ball mark. Please remember, keep the golf course in better shape than you found it. Fix 1 or 2, not just yours, every round, and the greens will stay in better shape. Thank you and happy golfing.